Sundays with Ridan. Today I am going to read this one, Master Wiggles. Remember, last Sunday we did this one, Vadya Singh visits Planet Sparkle. Remember? And today I am going to do this one, Master Wiggles. And later on I will do this one. If I can dream it, I can do it. So, here I start with Master Wiggles. And I liked it. Thank you, Sonalika Publications. This was a lovely book. Master Wiggles, A Journey of Triumph and Triumph. This book is a tribute and to heroes celebrating efforts of firefighters and people who help in saving animals and forests during Australian bushfires. Sonalika Publication teach young minds on importance of environment and to fight the cause of climate change. This book is about Koala Master Wiggles. He had a strong bond with his brother, and his mother said, "My dear, do not go behind a dozen trees." His brother Claus warned him, "Fire is dangerous. It turns everything to ashes. Do not go near." But Koala didn't listen. He hopped in eagerness to see flames of fire which got enormous. It was disastrous. He ran to save himself. He ran towards the river as he can swim. But Master Wiggles cannot walk fast or run fast, but he can swim fast in the rivers. Swim realized that fire can take away homes, families and friends. He was anxious. Fear gripped him. He fell down. A firefighter saved his life. He was sad and looked for his family. Finally, he found them, but thousands of animals, birds, and their homes were lost. Many firefighters lost their lives. Two rains came, but too late. Forest fire happens as temperature of Earth increased due to climate change. Now let me read this. Page 16 and 17. Here. This rise in temperature not only makes us feel hot, but also damages the ecological balance of our environment. Many species have gone extinct due to climate change as they cannot survive with their changing conditions. Global warming is speeding and our glaciers and melting, resulting is rising water level, which could lead to more floods and loss of habitat. Climate change is a cruel issue of our time, and we are at the defining moment, but everything has been lost, not been lost yet. We have resources that can be found for correcting our mistakes and conservation of flora and fauna in harmony with human race. Now it is time when we should put some efforts to stop deforestation. That's deforestation and forestation I have learned in my school, and increase afforestation. Oh, sorry, it is afforestation. I said forestation. We should save water and minimize the consumption of electricity and fuel. Some efforts like these would help in promoting a happier life for every living being on the planet. So, hope you like my story. Bye bye. See you next Sunday. Sundays with Ridan.